It's ringing. Remember, you guys hold all the cards, game faces. You are going to crush this. Okay, wait, hold on. He knows what we sound like. We gotta, like, use an accent or something. You know what I mean?
No
like
accent.
Some sort of
That's
voice we can't.
ridiculous.
That's a great idea, Curdy.
Boulder Stream.
Oh my God, who is this?
The secretary? Yes, secretary.
Hey, homie. Let me speak to Mr. Bert Henson. No, I don't mind holding. Yeah, I just barely even called you right now already.
That's incredibly racist.
Super racist.
Just do a southern accent.
Southern, I got. Southern, no problem.
Henson.
Well, howdy there, partner. This here's the gents what got your youngin' and all, and well, we got some talking to do.
Southern, not old prospector.
I thought that was pretty good.
Listen, you low life. Either this ends right now or it ends with bullets in your skulls.
Now, you hush there. You don't scare us one bit. We got your boy. Now, I bet that tears you up something fierce.
Yeah? How do I know you really have my boy?
Dad, is that you? Please, they're crazy. They told me if you call the police, they'd kill me. Please do whatever they say. I don't want to die, Dad. No police.
Oh, God!
Rex, where are you?
Now, you listen here. Y'all gonna have to wrestle up that $5 million in cash. We're looking at all hundreds. Unmarked. No traces, and no dye packs neither.
Sure.
Otherwise, we gonna take your boy and string him up by his pretty little neck with the roughest, coarsest piece of rope we got in our rope inventory. You understand? You got 24 hours before he's dead.